uh, alam naman natin there's no such thing as a perfect organization or a perfect company. But they were willing to walk the extra mile and yung isa sa gusto kong ibalita sa taong bayan because also of our efforts dito sa Senado and in pushing Meralco to do something about the rates and all the services. Isa sa mga good news ay itong darating na itong buwan ng January nagsimula na sila na yung plano ng rate reduction, yung 0.2189 per kilowatt, medyo technical ho, magre-reduce po ito yung overall rate to 11.74 per kilowatt. Kaya ito ay isang welcome development, welcome news sa atin. So this is expected to result in approximately 44 pesos savings doon sa mga residential consumers